Today we're going to be looking at the Drillmaster 4.5-inch angle grinder. I purchased this at Harbor Freight store for $10, and I've been needing an angle grinder to do a little metal work on an old railing that came off of our house during a storm. So I was looking at the stores, and they go anywhere from $20 to $80. Well, I said, I'm only going to use it once or a couple of times, so I'm thinking, I really don't want to spend that. Can I borrow it from somebody? Blah, 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 blah. Well, I just happened to be in Troy, Michigan, and the local Harbor Freight store had a sale, and this was out there for $9.95, and I picked one up. So let's take a look at it. Okay. It comes with the grinder itself, which seems to be well made and solid. It comes with a handle, and instructions, and a wrench for putting on our grinding blade. Okay, so what the instructions say. Nice instructions. Okay, safety, blah blah blah. Careful. Okay, really be careful. Okay, plug it in right. Okay. Yeah, okay. And there we go. We've got the wheel guard, we've got the switch, we've got the spindle lock, and we've got the auxiliary handle. Okay. Okay, there's the inner flange, wheel from dowel. Da 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 da. Okay. So far so good. Okay, there's all the parts if you want a schematic. Okay, so nice instructions, give them that. Okay, I've got a cheap blade that I bought at Menards for $1. So I think what we have to do is lock up that. I think that's right. There we go. Okay, got it. There we go, got it. Here. Okay, so counterclockwise. That way. Okay. First time doing this. Okay, make sure we're locked, and we'll tighten that down. Okay. Tighten it down there, very solid. Looks good. Okay. Let's put the handle in, and it can go on either the right or the left. Let's go on the left side. Seems to screw in okay, and it looks solid. Okay. Put our instructions and our wrench back in the box. Okay. Okay, I've plugged it in now, and let's see what happens. Seems to be working. So, I don't know enough about these tools to know if they're good or bad, but it seems to work, and I'm going to go take it outside and do a little grinding, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. Okay. Well, I think it works. Okay, well it seems to have worked. We cut off our piece of metal, and the blade is a little worn, and it's a little warm down here from the running of the motor, but everything else seems to be looking okay. A little dirty, but a little dirty there, but everything else seems to be okay. So all seems to be in place, and you know, looks like a good piece of equipment for 10 bucks. Made in China, of course. You know, what else is new? But you know, for 10 bucks, it did the job, and you know, hey, probably saved 10 bucks on buying the cheap old house brand at Menards or Lowe's or Home Depot. So, well, for 10 bucks, here it goes. And this is the Drillmaster 4.5-inch angle grinder, and it 10,000 RPMs, and it's 4.3 amps, and it is what it is. And it seems to be working, and when I occasionally need to grind something, I'll be doing that with this. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.